fryer fried chicken tenders. These are crispy and delicious and really good with garlic mayonnaise. Anyway, how do you make them? Well, first off, you need 350 grams of chicken that's been sliced in 1 centimetre slices, 100 grams of plain flour in a bowl, and to that you want to add 1 teaspoon of salt, along with 1 teaspoon of paprika and 2 teaspoons of garlic granules. And then you want to add in a lot of pepper for seasoning, around about 2 teaspoons. Now to this you could add numerous things. You can add 50 grams of, say, Parmesan cheese, and also a teaspoon of onion granules, which I don't have because I've run out of them. So I'm adding in a teaspoon of mixed herbs instead. And all you're going to do is mix that round so it's all combined. Then in a separate bowl it's 2 large eggs that have been beaten up. And then in another bowl 100 grams of panko breadcrumbs. These make them crispy. So I'm preheating my air fryer to 200 degrees centigrade for around a couple of minutes, and I'm using my wire rack so that the air gets all the way round those chicken pieces and gets them nice and toasty. You just first off dip into that flour mixture that you did earlier with all the herbs and things in, and then you dip into the egg, making sure it's properly coated on all sides, and then into the panko breadcrumbs. Now you'll notice here there's only 2 lonely little chicken nugget things on the tray, and that's because I'm going to be making them for dinner later on. Just make sure each one is set apart so again that all that air can get round. You just want to drizzle with a little olive oil or spray of your choice, and then it's into the air fryer at 200 degrees centigrade for around about 13 to 15 minutes. Halfway through you want to flip them over so that you ensure that all of it gets cooked properly. Now, the temperature. You want to try and make sure that if you've got a meat thermometer that it gets to around about 74 degrees centigrade. That way you'll know it's cooked. These are delicious, and yes, I had more later on. Anyway, if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.